Niti this side, welcome back to TJP. So Delhi University has finally released its information bulletin. So here in this video, we'll be talking about, we'll be actually making it short for you. You do not have to go through the whole information bulletin. We'll make it easy for you. So in this video, we're going to talk about the most important thing, which is courses and their combinations and some basic important things which are the highlights. So let's start with the video. So Delhi University will be accepting admissions only on the basis of CUET scores. So one question which keeps popping up on our Telegram channel is, can we appear for those subjects we did not have in class 12? The answer to that is a complete no. You cannot. By the way, if you're not a part of our Telegram channel, the link of all our social media handles will be given in the description box below. So make sure you join it now. So you can only appear for those subjects you had in class 12th. Now, if you had given CUET in 2022, those scores cannot be a medium to apply in Delhi University. You can only apply to Delhi University for the academic year 2023 to 2024 only on the scores obtained in CUET 2023. Talking about the eligibility criteria, there is no age criteria wherein Delhi University is concerned. Let's say you have made a mistake in choosing your universities. You want some add-ons, you can do that. That is editable. So there's a correction window after the form filling process. There are certain fields wherein you cannot make changes and are non-editable. Fields like name, your photograph, and your signature. These are uneditable. So make sure you do it very, very carefully because these are certain fields that cannot be changed. Now, in case of a gap year, let's say you are taken a gap year, that won't cause an issue to you. Now, the most important thing that everybody keeps on asking is the courses plus the combinations. So we're going to talk about some common courses of Delhi University. There are a lot of other courses apart from this, but here we're going to only talk about some common courses. Talking about BA English honors, you need English plus 3 domains. BA Economics honors, any language which you had in class 12th is the highlight. Any language plus 2 domains plus maths. BA program, there are two combinations. The first combination is English plus 3 domains or English plus 2 domains plus GT. BSc Maths honors, you need one language, 2 domains and maths. BCom honors, English plus accounts or maths plus 2 domains. It's basically accounts or bookkeeping slash maths. Let's say you had applied or core, that won't cause a problem to you. If you had applied, that also works. If you had core, that also works. But you should have maths. You should have had maths in class 12th. तो ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट हाईलाइट है कि मैथ्स होनी ही चाहिए इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर मैथ्स, अगर आप अपियर कर रहे होगे फॉर मैथ्स इन CUET. So it's English, accounts or maths plus 2 other domains. BCom program, again 2 subject combinations. The first is 3 domains plus language or language plus GT plus 2 domains. BBA, BMS or BBE. So there are very few colleges which offer these courses, and the combination remains common in all of these 3 courses. BBA FIA, BMS, that is Bachelor of Management Studies, or BBE, that is Bachelor of Business Economics. The subject combination is language plus maths plus GT. Again, highlighting the point, if you did not have maths in class 12, you're not eligible for this course, or let's say BA Economics honors. Thanks for watching this video. We at the Journey phase offer courses and mocks for all competitive exams, be it CUET, IPMAT, or NPAT. Our packages include ebooks, sectional mocks, and worksheets in addition to live classes with the experienced educators. What's more, we have student mentors at top colleges across India to guide you through your preparation journey. The Journey phase is with you and for you. Thank you for watching this video and all the best.